Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, back with another video. How are we all doing? And today I'm going to talk about the IQOO Neo 5. Now, those of you who do not know, as far as India is concerned, IQOO has barely any footprint. It just has IQOO 3. But as far as the rest of the world, that basically means China is concerned, IQOO is a boss. IQOO has so many devices out there. Right now, IQOO 3 in China has received the Origin OS update, which is slated to be amazing for the devices. And yet here we are stuck on the Monster UI, which just doesn't function. Nonetheless, IQOO has decided that it will introduce another phone in India. Yes, that's right. It is going to bring the IQOO Neo 5 to India. Now the phone is going to launch on 16th March and the specs as usual have already been released. So here is everything you need to know about the specs, right? This time it's going to come with an AMOLED panel from Samsung with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Those of you who bought IQOO 3, you know that it does have 180 Hz touch response rate, but its normal refresh rate is just 60 Hz, which was a letdown for a lot of gamers since the phone provided great hardware for low money. More than that, the phone is going to come with a 48 megapixel camera sensor, which is the same as the IQOO 3, but the quality is slated to be improved and better. It is also said that this phone might come with the Origin OS, which will again make the software experience for Indians who are using IQOO much better. Now, will the same Origin OS come to IQOO 3? No one has any clue. Right now, Vivo has stopped commenting on whether IQOO will be released whether Origin OS will be released globally or not. Right. As far as the charging is concerned, there is a definite upgrade in charging, and now the IQOO Neo 5 will sport a 66 watt charging. Now the 66 watt charging is supposedly a lot more faster, but it may also cause higher battery drains in the long run. So one needs to be careful with how fast the charging is going to be. Nonetheless, it is definitely an upgrade. Now with the screen, the battery is just going to be 4000 mAh, so there is no change on that side. This time it is also slated that the phone will be much slimmer as compared to the IQOO 3. For those of you who are uninformed about it, the IQOO 3 was a pretty heavy phone. It weighed about 200 grams and a lot of people felt that it was damn heavy. Now that we have that clear, what price will the IQOO Neo 5 come to India on? Well, to be very honest, one can't guess what price will the phone come at, because right now the IQOO 3 sells at about 25,000, which is very cheap in comparison to its competitors. But it is assumed that the phone will release at a starting price of 35,000, which I think, given all the goodies it has. Wait, do you know the main goodie? I haven't told you yet. Well, yes, it will have the Snapdragon 870 instead of 888. Now the 870 is definitely an upgrade from the 865, but it is just an incremental update. That means you're not going to get some huge performance boost, but then again, there will be some performance boost and it will complement the 120 Hz screen that is going to come with the IQOO Neo 5. As far as the pricing goes, as I told you, it will start at 35,000 and can go up to 43,000. So guys, that was everything related to IQOO Neo 5 you needed to know, right? As soon as it launches in India, the link will be down below and hopefully a review too. That's all for this video, guys. If you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe.